welcome to this channel. Today, we'll be exploring the extraordinary life of a single fascinating creature, from unique behaviors to incredible adaptations. Let's dive into the intriguing world of one animal life. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on interesting content about wildlife on this channel.
Welcome, friends. Today, we're going to explore the charm and mysteries hidden behind the beauty of the peacock. Stay tuned until the end to uncover intriguing stories you might have never heard before. Let's get started. The beauty of the peafowl. First and foremost, let's discuss the beauty of the peafowl. With colorful feathers and a mesmerizing tail, this bird captivates the eyes of anyone who sees it. The grace and beauty of the peafowl have inspired artists and writers for centuries. Mysteries behind the beauty. However, behind the captivating beauty, the peafowl also harbors a number of mysteries. Myths and legends surround this creature in various cultures. Some consider it a symbol of luck, while others believe there is magical power in its feathers. Ecological role. Not only aesthetically appealing, peafowls also play a crucial ecological role. They help maintain the balance of ecosystems by controlling insect populations and other small animals. Their presence has a positive impact on the surrounding environment. Cultural significance. Beyond their ecological importance, peafowls hold cultural significance in many societies. In various cultures, they symbolize different virtues such as beauty, integrity, and immortality. The presence of peafowls in art, literature, and religious symbolism further enhances their cultural importance. Human-animal connection. The relationship between humans and peafowls goes beyond mere observation. In some places, they are kept in gardens and parks, becoming a source of joy for visitors. This connection highlights the intricate bond between humans and these majestic birds. Protection and threats. As we enjoy the beauty and mystery of the peafowl, it's important to discuss the challenges they face. Their natural habitat is shrinking due to urbanization and deforestation. Therefore, protecting peafowls and their environment is a necessity. Peafowl conservation. To ensure the survival of peafowls, various conservation efforts have been undertaken worldwide. Scientific research, community awareness campaigns, and habitat management are key to protecting peafowls from the threat of extinction. Call to contribute. You can also contribute to peafowl protection, support conservation projects, participate in tree planting activities, and educate the community about the importance of preserving ecosystems. Together, we can preserve the beauty and mystery of peafowls for future generations. Joining us on our journey to explore the beauty and mystery of peacocks. Let's together be part of the solution to protect this extraordinary biodiversity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with other interesting content. See you in the next video.